Charaka mentioned Gulma just after Raktapitta because due to Raktapitta, Vata is aggravated and Vata is the main dosha for causation of Gulma. And Sushruta mentioned Gulma along with Shula in Uttara Tantra as both possesses Vedana as their feature and differentiated from Vidradi in Nidhanasthana. Nirukti Gulma literally means bush or a shrub which is deeply rooted and produced by Visharad Vata and appears as a swelling. Nidana or Etu excessive elimination of Vit Shleshma and Pitta, Vegadharana, Abhigata, Atiruksha Annapana, Shoka, Mithya Pratikarmanaha. Samprapti due to Nidana Sevana, Vata Prakopa occurs. In turn, Kapha and Pitta also aggravated, which does Shrota Avarodha. So, there is pain is formed in the Hridaya, Nabi, Basti and Parsva regions. So, the doshas will not move downwards. So, there is accumulation of the doshas in turn leads to formation of Gulma. Gulma are of 5 types: Vataj, Pittach, Kaphaj, Sanipatach and Raktach. Charaka classified it as Apakwa, Pachamanavastha and Pakvavastha based on Avastha. Vataja Gulma is characterized by colicky pain and appears of various modules and remain constant in round shape. Round mass sometimes aggravate and it sometimes diminished, and Pipilikara patient feels as if ants are crawling in the body parts, and patient feels as if he is pierced with a needle or a nail, and Krishna Arunavarna of Tvak, Netra, Nayana and Mala Mutra, and evening rise of temperature, dryness of mouth and Vataja Lakshanas are seen. Teja Lakshanas like Jwara, Daha and burning sensation in cardiac region, chest and throat, and patient feels as if smoke is coming out of a moral cavity, and patient feels a fumigation and softening, looseness, tenderness and slight auriculations. Paja Lakshanas like Aruchi, Angamarda, Rullasa, Jwara with Shita, auriculations and excessive sleep, laziness, heaviness and pain in head, and Gulma remains stable, heavy, hard and deep-seated, and patient feels numbness. Raktaja Gulma occurs only in women. Lakshanas are Atinidra, excessive salivation, appearance of milk in breast, excessive pain in eyes, fainting, swelling in feet, appearance of small hairs in little quantity, dilatation of vaginal orifice, foul discharge from the uterus. भोजन अभ्यञ्जनैः पानैर्निरूहैः स अनुवासनैः स्निग्धस्य भिषजास्वेदः कर्तव्यो गुल्मशान्तैः स्नेहपानम् इतं गुल्मे विशेषेण ऊर्ध्वनाभिजैः पक्वाशयगते बस्तिर् उभयं जठराश्रयैः. In Gulma, mainly Snehana Chikitsa should be given. The usage of Snehadravyas in Bhojana, Pana and Abhyanga, especially Grutas like Travishnadi Gruta, Pipalyadi Gruta and Shatphala Gruta, and localized Svedana should be given, and usage of Basti like Niruha and Anuvasana Basti and Lepana and Vatanulomaka Dravya should be given.